Hey guys, I'm here with your ELA for today. Today we are going to answer the age-old question. Actually, we're not, but I've had many debates in my classes about dogs versus cat. What's the best pet? I'm sure you all have opinions on that. This article is all about why dogs, it's an opinion piece on why dogs are the best pet. We're going to practice looking for facts and looking for opinions. Remember, opinions can change from person to person. So an opinion would be, this is a beautiful color. Not everyone would think that. A fact about this would be, is this is purple and it's a whiteboard marker. Okay, so that's a fact. It's purple and it's a whiteboard marker, and an opinion would be, this is the most beautiful marker I've ever seen in my world. I'm going to throw it on the floor, basically. So opinion could change from person to person. Again, I could say, actually this isn't true because I love orange, but I could say orange is a terrible color. That's an opinion. But saying this pen is orange is a fact, because that's what it is. Okay, I hope that makes sense. We're going to go through fact versus opinion in this lesson. Let's get started. Okay, so I made a little bit of a mashup today for this. I took some of our comprehension, but I didn't like the assignment that they gave you, so I made my own. So this is a comprehension about the best pets. And it says, think about which statements are facts and which are opinions. Now, I just did some essay writing with the grade 4s and 5s on this topic. We wrote what the best pet was. They had to pick team cat or team dog. Now, I know that you might have your own opinion about this. So that's why we are practicing this right now. So we're going to read it and we're going to answer the questions. And then you have an optional extending activity that you can do. Okay? So it says, think about which statements are facts and which are opinions. The best pets. Dogs make the best pets. Again, is that true? Actually, let's go through and read the whole thing, and then we'll do fact or opinion, okay? Dogs make the best pets. They come in all sizes. Some dogs are as small as a football, and others are as tall as a desk. Dog's fur is different too. It can be tight with curls, long and silky, or smooth and stiff. The kind of fur does not matter, because all dogs are good to hug. Dogs need to be groomed. Short-haired dogs are the easiest to care for, but all dogs need a bath once in a while. Giving a dog a bath is a lot of fun. When a dog is done getting bathed, it shakes the water off its body. Watch out, or you will get wet. Dogs like to please their owners, so dogs can be easy to train. They can follow simple commands and learn to walk on a leash. Dogs truly are amazing animals. Some dogs pull sleds across icy places. Some save drowning people. Other dogs do tricks in movies. A dog has even flown a rocket to outer space. Okay, so let's go through and look at the fact versus opinion. I'm going to highlight the facts. I'm going to underline the opinions. So a fact, dogs make the best pets. That is an opinion. That's not the truth. Some people don't think that. My mom does not think that. They come in all sizes. That is a fact. You can get dogs in any size. Some dogs are as small as a football, and others are as tall as a desk. True story. Dogs' fur is different too. Yeah, dogs' furs are different. They can be tight with curls, or long and silky, smooth and stiff. The kind of fur does not matter, because all dogs are good to hug. Again, if you are allergic to dogs, that's not going to be your opinion. So all dogs are good to hug? All dogs are good to hug. That is an opinion, okay? Not all dogs are good to hug. Please don't hug all dogs. Some dogs get very stressed out by people trying to hug them. Okay, dogs need to be groomed. This is a fact. If you have a dog, you need to take care of their fur. They need help with that. Short-haired dogs are easiest to care for. That's an opinion. And for this, some dogs need to be groomed more than others. I have one dog who requires, if I was to keep him in a full coat, it would be 3 hours a week of brushing minimum to keep his coat nice. So we cut his hair because I don't have 3 hours to brush my dog, and he doesn't really love being brushed. But my other dog, I can bath him once or twice a year and he's good. He just he doesn't get stinky. He doesn't really shed. He just his hair doesn't get tangled. He still needs some grooming, but the amount of grooming will depend on the dog. So short-haired dogs are the easiest to care for. That is an opinion. But all dogs need a bath once in a while. Technically, they don't. Like, you don't have to bath your dog. Oh, sorry, guys. I didn't realize that fell over. You don't have to bath your dog if you don't want to. Many farm dogs don't bath. But if you're keeping them as a pet, you probably do. So all dogs need a bath once in a while. I guess that's a fact. If it's going to be a pet dog in the house, it's going to get muddy. It's gonna need some washing. Giving a dog a bath is a lot of fun. Now that is definitely an opinion because I do not think it's a lot of fun. When a dog, some people might. When a dog is done getting bathed, it shakes water off its body. That is true. That is a fact. Watch out or you will get wet. That is also a fact. You will get wet if a dog shakes on you. Dogs like to please their owners. That is an opinion. Not every dog likes to please their owner. So dogs can be easy to train. Again, opinion. They can be easy to train, but that's all a matter of perspective. They can follow simple commands or learn to walk on a leash. This is true. Dogs can do that. That is a fact. You can get a dog to walk on a leash. Dogs are truly amazing animals. That is an opinion. Some dogs pull sleds across icy places. Okay, that is fact. Some save drowning people. Okay, that is a fact. These are true stories. Dogs know how to do tricks in movies. A dog has even flown a rocket ship to outer space. Those are all true facts. True facts, truth facts. All right. Now we are going to move. So it's important to know what's a fact and what's an opinion because opinions can change person to person, but facts are things that I like to say stay constant. Okay, so next we're going to read the question. And then we are going to fill in the bubbles. So which of these is a fact? Dogs make the best pets. Nope, that's an opinion. Bathing a dog is fun. Definitely an opinion. Dogs do amazing things. That is an opinion. They do a lot of great things, but whether you think they're amazing or not is up to you. Dogs come in all sizes. This is true. You can find dogs in all sizes. Okay, number 2. Which of these states an opinion? All dogs are good to hug? That's an opinion. Dogs can have long or short hair? No, that's not an opinion. Dogs can be trained? No, that's not an opinion. And dogs have short hair? Yeah, some dogs do. So our opinion is all dogs are good to hug. Okay, number 3. Which word tells you this sentence is an opinion? Dogs are amazing animals. Amazing. That is a word that's used in an opinion. To get information for the passage, the author probably went to a pet store, a library, a museum, or a toy store. Well, you know what? You probably needed to get information from the library. You could learn things at a pet store. It could be a pet store, but a library is usually where you learn most of our information. Okay, you could also, I guess pet store could be correct too. Either of those. You just have to be careful when you go to a pet store, they're trying to sell you a pet. So they might, sugarcoat things like, oh, sure, dogs are great. Their opinion is going to be dogs are great because they're trying to sell you a dog. Whereas if you went to a library, you could get the facts, information for the passage. Okay, now, extending activity. This part is optional, but I would like you to imagine what kind of dog would make the perfect pet for you. Maybe you already have that dog, and why. So you could write about your favorite dog or a dog that you wish that you had and why. If you don't like dogs, then you can say, you know what, the perfect dog for me, or the perfect dog that would be the perfect pet for me would be a cat. I don't like dogs. You're welcome to say that. So you can write the perfect dog for you and why here. This is an optional extending activity, but I love hearing about dogs, so you can definitely write about that here. All right, I hope this video helps you get through your comprehension.